So hello everyone. So welcome back to my new video. So basically in this video I'm going to discuss about C++ programming language basics. Okay, so yeah, let's get the start. So firstly, I have opened this PDF. We have this PDF, and if you need, I can also give you the PDF as well. So basically, this is the PDF. Programming language fourth edition, Bjarne-Stroustrup. So basically, Bjarne-Stroustrup is mm, the mathematician who developed C++. Okay, so basically, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so we are approximately here. Control plus. Yeah, it's a properly visible, I guess, right now. 1 minute. Yeah, it's visible, right? I can also change the camera angle. Yeah, now it is good, right? So basically, um, Bjarne-Stroustrup was the mathematician. No, he was the developer. Sorry, I'm really sorry. He was the developer who developed this programming language. Okay, so first thing first, intro. Okay, develop development of C++. So basically, in the development of C++, you'll get to know that before C++, we have another language. Like if I talk about the C++, it was developed in 1978, 1918s around approximately. So C++ is a powerful, high-performance, general-purpose programming language. As you can see this here, it's written very well. Okay. General purpose programming language is widely used for building OS, game engines, databases, and embedded systems. So mostly you have seen in a lot of embedded systems, like if you talk about the TV remotes, right? So these all the embedded systems, and OS means the operating system. It's a different topic we'll discuss in our later on videos. Okay. So here we are talking about the development towards C++, how it was developed after the C language. So basically, okay. Here we are. So this is the development. First thing first, I'm just explaining you. Okay. No, I don't want this development. How C++ language was developed after C language. Okay, so this was my question actually that I'm going to ask with the Google itself. So Google is saying that C++ is developed as an OOPS extension of the C language. So basically C was developed by Dennis Ritchie, right? You might be knowing about C. It was developed in 1972. I can also open the new tab and search when did C language was developed? Let me know. Okay. So it was in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Okay. By Dennis Ritchie. It's in 1972 and it doesn't contain, OOPS concept. So whenever we discuss about OOPS concept, we keep it in our mind that it's an procedural oriented language. Like you might be knowing about the POP languages, right? So this is those languages like POP based language. This is okay, and yeah, it was also developed in the Bell Laboratory. This is the introduction of C. So it's like a procedure oriented language. Doesn't contain the objects. Okay, so this is the main idea of Bjarne Stroustrup to develop a language which having classes, objects, okay, rather than just a function and all. Okay, so that's why he developed that. Okay, C++ was developed as an object-oriented extension of the C programming language by Bajar Strauss Stop as Bell Labs in the late 1970s and early 1980s. The core motivation was to combine C's efficiency and low-level access with the program organization capabilities and higher-level feature found in languages like Simula language. So basically, Simula is a language that was developed before C++ that doesn't contain the object concept. So that's why Bajanis Stop uses the concept of C and Simula. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Simula have the object concept. So he, you know, he founded some feature from the Simula itself, and he developed his own language, C++. One thing also I want to tell you that when C++ was developed, basically he integrated C into the C++, and he developed Unix OS. Firstly, he developed the C++ language, and then he okay. Motivation for development. C was created as a general purpose procedure-oriented language primarily for writing the Unix operating system, offering speed and performance for lacking features for managing very large complex software projects. Strauss Stop needed a language that could effectively model real-world entity for large-scale simulation, a strength of Simula without sacrificing in performance that C offered. Okay. So basically he want a language that have a strength of Simula and sacrificing, like he doesn't also want to lose the performance of C. C was fast language, as you know. Also, C is called the mother of all languages, so that's why he developed that language, right? After we'll discuss about key stages of language. See, key stages of language, like he also did C with classes. He named it as the C with classes because it is like a the C itself, but with the features of similar language, right? So that's why he named it as a C with classes. Okay. So Strauss Stop began his work by developing a preprocessor, C-pre, okay, that added similar like classes to C. The language was initially called C with classes and included features such as classes and derived classes, public private access control, constructor and deconstructor. We'll discuss about these all stuff later on videos, but first you need to note in your mind that okay, this is the key features that he developed in C++ programming language that was not available in the C programming language. Okay, you need to like remind the stuff. Okay, he did this stuff. Okay, he did this because this was not available in the C programming language. So he also named it as a C with classes. C was developed in 1972. I have already told you. Let me know who developed the C language. Okay, you are right. You are right. C was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie, and after, you can say, 6 or 7 years later, like in the 1978 to 1983, the exact time, if you talk about, you'll get different time, but here, since you can consider it as an average like 1980 in general, you can say, okay, C++ was developed in 1980. Okay, so renaming it to C++ programming language. Okay, so then he renamed it. Okay, C++. He renamed it as a C++. First it was C with classes because it was C, but he introduced the concept of classes into it. Okay, so that's why it's called the C with classes. Later on he renamed it as a C++. So plus is nothing. Plus is an increment operator. Okay, plus is an increment operator that increase the value plus 1 by plus 1. Okay, so if your value is like, consider your value is 5, and if you use the increment operator like I plus plus, so it becomes 6. Okay, so it becomes 6. So basically increment operator what does, it increases the value by 1. Okay, so this is the quick thing. No, not a quick thing, this is the main thing why he named this language as a C plus plus. C plus plus, increment of C language. Okay, got it. Also we'll discuss C. The plus plus operator in C is the increment operator, symbolizing the C plus plus was an incremented or enhanced version of C. Like, I'm just taking an example over here. Like, if you have 10 rupees right now, whenever it becomes 11, you just say, okay, my money got increment. Okay, so that's how he also named it as an incremented or enhanced version of C. Okay, so yeah, this is the renaming of C++. Like, why he renamed his language as a C++, whenever he, like, no, he might be knowing, like, I can also give the other name as well, but he was thinking, okay, why not this name, because I have enhanced my C language, right? Not my C language. Like, Denis Ritchie developed that language, so that's why he renamed it as a C++. Okay, hope you all understood, right? And then we'll discuss about virtual functions. It's having virtual functions. Okay, functions name and operator overloading. You'll discuss also overriding and overloading. Don't worry right now. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that was I'm doing actually. Okay. So yeah. So basically it was a virtual function he developed. He introduced that actually. Okay. First thing I need to check how is everything going fine? Yes, everything going fine, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Wow, weather is looking so beautiful in the image. Nice, nice. So yeah, yeah. So where we are, yeah, renaming. After renaming, what happened is he standardizes, like, some other standard also develop, like different modes, and he developed. Okay, like, if you don't know, like, yeah, you might be, you can relate with the operating system. Like, you might be using right now 18 OS Fun Touch. Yeah, yeah, it's 18 version, right? So same, he also developed different versions of it. Versions means updation. Whenever he think, okay, I can update this stuff, then he, introduce this language by some other name. Like, as you can see this. Okay, let's read first. Okay. So the language evolved further with the development of the first international and standard known as a C++ 98. Why it is 98? It's pretty obvious that it was developed in 1998, so that's why it names as a 98, right? Okay. Okay, which was ratified by the International Organization for ISO, by ISO. Okay, in 1998. This standard included a standard library, the function template like STL, and other features subsequent standard C++ 11, 14, 2011, 2014, 2017, 2020, and 2023. It is evolving day by day. Okay, the language itself is evolving day by day. Basically, it's evolving day by day. Programmers are improving this language. Okay, so that's why they're developing more and more versions of it. Okay, have continued to add more features for performance, safety, and efficiency. Also, a lot of people said, like, for the security, we prioritize C++ over all other languages. One thing I want to search firstly, which programming language, I have heard it, I'm not exactly sure, but which, but let me clarify it. first. Okay, then I'll give you. I can't give you the falsy stuff to you, right? Which programming language provide more security than other ones? Okay, I think it might be C++. It's showing okay, not a single language. Okay, it's showing Rust. Okay, Python also automatic, which makes them inherently safer from memory collapse and source computer. Okay, C++ is not that much secure, I guess. Languages with higher vulnerability rates offers direct manual control. Okay, it isn't secure that much in compared to the other languages. Yeah, for the security purposes, you can refer, Rust, Go, Java, C Sharp, and Python, Swift, and many more other languages you can prefer by your choices. No matter here. It doesn't matter anymore. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is the quick thing that I want to say. It's not that much secure. Okay. Also, you can prefer other languages over it, but yeah, it's not that much secure. You can't go with that language. Okay. I don't paradise. I don't prefer to go with the C language for the security purpose because there are multiple other languages that are basically provide a lot of security like Go, like Rust, and I have showcased you other languages as well, right? So don't get me wrong. I have given you the real knowledge, the original. Okay. So let me know if it was helpful for you or not. Okay. So yeah, let's move to the next question. Okay. So this is all about why we use this language, why we prioritize to use this language over other languages as well. Okay. So yeah, this is the quick thing that I want to say. Hope that makes sense also. So yeah, both. So here we are. So basically, I have told you that when it was developed, in general, you can say it was developed in 1980. Okay, Bajaj ne stopped developed it. So also I have told you why it was renamed. Why it was renamed and who renamed. I mean the developer itself renamed it. Okay. So this is all about the introduction of C++ language. Okay. I have already told you a lot of stuff regarding that programming language, like different versions I have told you. So I have already told you different versions. So I think you don't need to make your own notes for the introduction itself. You can go Google and yeah, you can read out any article you can read by yourself. And yeah, it's a very pretty obvious. But also you can mention some important stuff like who developed that, Bajaj and Stop developed that, right? Also, you can add different stuff as well. Like if I talk about, you can mention a lot of stuff as well into it. Like if I talk about, you can also why it was renamed. You can find out the reasons, multiple reasons why programmer programmer needs very important stuff they want to do. So basically it was 19-minute videos already it was recorded. So let's go approximately 30 minutes. Okay, so this is all I think. So yeah, this is all about the introduction video. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you in the next. Bye bye. See you in the next. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and like so that I can upload new videos to get you all notified. Okay. So yeah, that's the introduction video that I have talked earlier. In this video, I have talked about the introduction and all. So that's all in this video. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed it also. That was my first video also, so make sure that if I can improve any stuff in this video, so yeah, I can definitely improve. If you need any improvement in this video, you can refer me. I also try to improve this video as if now as it is, and yeah, in my upcoming videos I'll improve whatever the stuff you, if you don't like this video, anything if you don't like in this video, yeah, do let me know. I'll improve it for sure, because that's my video. And yeah, I'm a little bit hesitant in this video. So yeah, that's all in this video. Bye bye, see you in the next. Hope you like it. I think so.